Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Jody, and let's take a look at 3 new little journals I have done. These are really just kind of like scrappy, junky journals. These are the small Tale to Tell and a small Start Right Elf book. And so let's start by looking at this one. So these are all upholstery fabric spines, so they're soft, flexible spines. They bend all the way back. These are a little adorable books. So they each all have a little tassel with different types of fibers to coordinate with the book. This is Henrietta and the Hat. Since it does have to deal with a horse and farm, I did include like some twine, like ribbon, string or fibers and things like that. It is on here with a bulb pin so it can come off. You don't have to have it on here. And then on the back I kind of just did some patchwork here over, I don't remember if there was a sticker or something there, but I should have put another piece of fabric over this as well, but I didn't even think about that. But these are well loved, used, the little books. And so let's take a look here. Let's zoom down just a tad, get it all in frame. So these are really adorable little books, and these are just kind of this is fabric and then Monopoly money. These are all unembellished except for some small items that I did a whole bunch of sewing. So this is wallpaper, scrapbook paper. All of the book pages are here. So I did, let me grab something to tuck in there. So like these all, you can tuck something in here. So I used a whole bunch of, this is the only embellishing that is done in these journals. And that is like just these cards, a little bit of sewing, you know, on the edges here. There, some washi tape, you know, just decorative pages. So I'll flip through them quickly so that you can see all different assortments of, here's another tuck spot with a horse here, some fabric. This is wallpaper. Second signature, this is a piece of wallpaper. It folds out, you can do whatever. Here's some lace. Here's a vocabulary card, little flip out here. Here's a vintage playing card. Just a whole assortment of different types of book pages and fun stuff. There's some Monopoly money there sewed on. Flips out. Whoops. Another playing card. Some wallpaper. And that is that one. And again, like I said, it is very flexible. You can actually bend it backwards. That's how flexible these are. And these are all put on with a full upholstery fabric. Jeez, I can't even talk. So that's Henrietta and the Hat. Here we have a golden telltale, excuse me, The 3 Little Pigs. Again, it's very well loved and used book. And here's the little tassel that I made with it. Kind of just natural fibers and some pinks and blues to go along with the book. And again, it's on here with a bulb pin. So let's take a look at this one. I love the adorable end papers. So here's some lace and a card. Another playing card with wallpaper. Bingo card. Again, all of the pages are here in the journal. This is a pocket I sewed. Another tuck spot. I love these bird book pages. They just kind of go with any theme. Just love them. Another playing card. It's a wallpaper. A couple little pages of bingo. This one. Police officer, playing card, wallpaper. Here's a card sewn in. And there is that one. So this one is a one signature, kind of a large one signature, where the Henrietta, their book pages come in two signatures. So they're two smaller signatures. And then we have Jack and the Beanstalk. So cute, bright colors, purples and oranges. And this one here, a child had a good time kind of taking a crayon or a pencil and writing on it. So it does have some writing all over it. I left it as is. I can't get it off anyways, but on the back there was quite a bit of writing and stuff. So I did take some of this bedspread that I got, I hauled in one of my videos, and kind of put over top of it, and it looks really cute. I love the colors, but you can still see the edging here around it. And so let's take a look at Jack and the Beanstalk, and this is two signatures, and again, it's very flexible. You can basically take this and bend it backwards and do your writing on it. So these are made that way. Okay, so here we've got the inside. I love the end papers in this one. So adorable. So let's flip through this one again. Tuck spot there. This is 1969. Here's a flip out with a card sewed on. Some wallpaper with another tuck spot. Some fabric and vintage ribbon. Or, no, sorry, Monopoly money and a fabric ribbon. Here's a piece of sheet. Here's a vocabulary card. And some fabric there. It's a tuck spot there. Some bingo papers. Here's the next signature. There's a card sewed on. I just love these pictures. It's a vintage playing card. It's a fabric piece. It has an embroidered pink flower on it. Vintage playing, a game card actually. And this one's got some writing on it. I don't know if I tried. I'm not sure if I tried getting that off or not. Oh yeah, some of it comes off. I didn't even try on this page. So I will erase some of these pencil marks that are on here without trying to rip the paper though. That's what I'm afraid of. Get that off there. Be careful not to rip the pages. That's such an adorable picture there. Well, that looks somewhat better. There we go. And then there's the last page. All right. So again, we have Henrietta. Whoops. The 3 pigs. Henrietta and the hat. The 3 pigs. And Jack in the beanstalk. Whoops, let me zoom back out here. So anyways, these will be available as soon as you see this video. Alright, thank you so much for joining me. Bye.